guys, welcome back to my channel. I am starting off today's video with some damp hair, which I don't normally do, but I'm going to be taking you guys through kind of my start to finish hairstyling routine using the new T3 AireBrush Duo. This has become such a staple in my routine, and I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by T3, which means I do have a discount code for y'all, so you can check out the discount linked down below, save some money on the T3 website. But let's go ahead and get into it. So as you guys can see, I actually already have my bangs dried because if I don't blow dry them the second I get out of the shower, they look horrible for the rest of the day and it's game over. I can't fix them. It is what it is. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I get dressed. Before I even put any skincare on or makeup on, I take the airbrush and I have it with the paddle brush attachment, and I just blow dry my bangs on the lowest setting and on maybe like 2 or 3 heat setting, and I just brush them down and then side to side. I like to have it on, like I said, the lowest fan setting. I love that this brush has 3 speeds because I don't want something super intense when I'm blow drying my bangs, because they have to dry like perfectly in place. So if my brush is too powerful, it can make them all wonky. So I like to keep it on the lowest setting with like a pretty low heat setting as well, because I don't need a ton of heat to dry such a small part of my hair. But that is my like #1 trick. If you have bangs, grabbing this brush and blow drying them straight down and then side to side is like how I style my bangs, and you guys can see in this video right here. It's super quick, it's really fast, but it is one of those things that if I wait to do, it's like not a good thing. So I went ahead and I did that, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do the rest of my hair using the other attachment. This is the round brush attachment, and this is truly what I use the most, even though I use this like on my bangs. This is what I like to use on the rest of my hair. So how you change it out is you can see on the back here, there's a lock button, and you just twist it and remove the attachment and then click on the new one. So this is the perfect size round brush for if you have long hair or if you have kind of medium length hair like me. I remember when my hair was really, really long and I would have to do a blowout every time I showered, because if I didn't, it would get super frizzy and just very coarse feeling. And so I would always have a hair dryer and a round brush, and it was just like so hard on my wrists and my arms were really tired by the end of it. This would have honestly been such a game changer when I had super, super long hair, but I still find it really helpful and really useful for this kind of mid-length hair because it gives you volume, shine, it makes it super sleek, and it really takes away kind of any frizz that you may have. So I would highly suggest, if you haven't like tapped into the blowout style, this will make your hair last so much longer too. If you like to curl it or straighten it or wave it with a straightener, this really prolongs your style for days. So I like to turn it up for the rest of my hair onto the 3rd heat setting and the most powerful speed setting as well. I really want to like quickly dry it, get it done really fast. And I like to make sure that my hair is about 80 to 90% dry. This is a really great styling tool, but I wouldn't recommend using it when your hair is soaking wet. So you can take advantage of towel drying it, air drying it. You could even just kind of quickly blow dry it with one of the T3 dryers. But this is definitely more of like a styling tool. So think of it more like that than like a full-on hair dryer. I also like to pair it with a heat protectant or a styling cream, something that can just keep your hair really healthy as you do apply heat to it. So I'm gonna get started on blow drying. My hair is pretty close to dry, so this should take literally no time at all. For my hair with the airbrush, I like to keep it on the 2nd to 3rd heat setting. I feel like this is really good for medium type hair. If you have more fine hair, you can obviously turn the heat setting down or turn it up depending on what your hair needs. I also like to keep it on the 3rd fan setting just to give my hair a really good quick dry. I also turn on the volume booster just because I'm always trying to get more volume with my hair. My go-to trick for getting volume at the roots is to work the brush from the roots to the ends from underneath the hair. So I like to pull the hair on top of the brush and pull it through, as you can see. This just really lifts the roots, and I feel like you also get a really smooth dry while doing it. Once my hair is about 95% dry, I will take the airbrush and I'll start to twist it through my hair to give it more of like a round brush blown out effect. I love the way that it creates volume and also like a very subtle soft wave. It really looks like you went and got a blowout done professionally. And then last, I'll take the pieces more towards the front of my face and I will round brush them directly above my head to kind of create some face framing volume. As you guys can see, my hair is so like voluminous. It has so much body to it, which is perfect. If you want to add some curls to it, you can definitely leave it like this and just keep it as a blowout. I love how like silky and smooth and just like bouncy it feels. It is so sleek. It is just like the perfect blowout. I'm gonna add some curls to it actually using my straightener just to give it a little bit more body. I don't like to do anything too styled. I kind of like it to look a little bit more like messy and natural. So I'm using the T3 single pass straightener in the Mojave Desert collection and I just love this color. It's so pretty, and I'll just add a quick little bit of body to my hair. But you can see it just made it so shiny. So you can definitely use a curling iron or you can use a straightener. I've been using my straightener recently just because I like to use this for waves or for curls. I feel like it's just a really versatile styling tool. So I will just take kind of larger sections here, and it's already so silky smooth, but this also just creates like the most kind of smooth curls. So I'll just like wrap it around and then pull it through. So I'm not doing anything too styled, but I just like to give my hair a little bit more body using this. And I feel like it just makes it look a little bit more like styled on top of the blowout. And I'll curl some the opposite direction too, just give it more of like a natural kind of wave looking, so it's not too polished. You can see it kind of like makes it look a little bit more styled. I do love the look of the blowout though, especially when my hair was long. I loved just like a sleek blowout. It looks so pretty. So this is kind of all I'll really curl it. I don't want it to look curly. I just want it to look a little bit like wavy, a little bit beachy. So I'll take a dry texture spray to finish it off, and I'll just like lift it up at the roots and spray a little bit in and just kind of bunch it up. And it just gives a good hold without it weighing down. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll flip my head over like this and I'll spray, and then I'll flip it back and spray. And this is kind of where it'll end up, just somewhere between like styled but like messy and just kind of casual looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing how I style my hair. Be sure to check out the AireBrush Duo. Seriously guys, this thing will change your life. It'll speed up your styling time. It'll also give you more options with styling if you want like a super sleek blowout. And if you're looking for like really good root volume, this will help as well. So I'll have it linked down below in the description box with my discount code. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below if you end up trying out the AireBrush Duo. And if you're new to my channel and you want to stick around for some more videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you back on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye y'all.